What is happening, automotive fanatics? It's Peter, your automotive fanatic, coming at you guys with another video as well as product review. What I wanted to go ahead and talk to you guys about today in car chat is essentially protecting your car from the elements outside. So in a nutshell, it's car covers that we're going to chat about today. Now those of you that do park your cars outside, you know it is a huge challenge to try to keep your cars clean when you're fighting Mother Nature. You've got bird sap, you've got pollen, you've got dust, UV damage, etc. that really can be detrimental to your car. I wanted to go ahead and discuss with you a company called US Car Cover and their line of car covers for your vehicle. What I'm reviewing today is going to be their Dashield Ultimum line of car covers. Now this is the very best car cover that you can get for your vehicle from US Car Cover. And in a nutshell, the top of the line cover from them is good for 5 years of guarantee. It is made specifically for outdoor use so that you're going to be protected substantially from the elements. Now if you want to use it indoors to protect your car, US Car Cover does make a silk line of car cover that you can purchase, so make sure you stop by their site to take a look at the other ones. But specifically with this one here, it really is designed for your outdoor use. What we're going to go ahead and do today is we're going to install it in my Model Y so I can show you guys how well it's going to fit, because each one is custom designed for the specific application that you're buying it for. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and install or cover my Model Y with the Dashield from US Car Cover. Let's take a look at the completed cover on the Tesla. As you can tell, it fits very nice. There's the nice big Dashield logo. It has a nice opening for your license plate up here. And guys, keep in mind this is brand new, so you're going to have a lot of the little creases. Here is going to be your mirror cap pocket, and it's very large. You could actually close it or open it for the mirror. Coming around the car, fitment is very nice. Here's the little wing that the Tesla comes with. And this one, I have some room. I could even pull it down further. Overall, a really nice fit on the Tesla. And the outside, you can just feel it is exceptionally durable. Here is one pocket. This is made specifically for the Tesla because you can actually pull it and open up your charging port just like that. Pretty cool. We'll go ahead and just leave it like that because it is going to try to close on me in a little bit. But overall, very nice car cover. Now that you have seen the installation of the Dashield car cover from US Car Cover, what did you guys think? My initial impression of the car cover, it is one exceptionally beefy car cover that should perform very well long term. What I really like about this car cover is, one, the fitment on the Tesla, and they do this for all of the vehicles. They custom mold it so the fitment was beautiful. It fit the mirror caps very well. Fitment on the lower end, you guys saw, was perfect. I also like the fact that the build quality was top notch. On the outside, it totally looks as though it's going to protect your vehicle from the elements very well. And I do love the fact that you can strap it down just in case some type of wind gets underneath the cover and decides to blow it off. And then I also really like the fact that the inside is lined with a nice soft cotton to protect your paint from being scratched. I do recommend that you place it on the car when it's clean. Do not place it on the car when you have all kinds of debris, because what's going to happen is you're going to scratch your paint and you're going to trap all of the debris underneath the cover. Some of the things that I don't necessarily like about the particular car cover that we have is the beefiness. Yes, I said that the beefiness was really one of the advantages, but because of the build quality, it's not something I recommend that you guys use every day. And the main reason is it's big, it's bulky, and it's a little more of a challenge for one person to install on a daily basis. Now, if you're going to use this to cover your car over a few days, by all means, it's going to work fantastic. If it is something that you want to cover your car every day, I would probably recommend that you take a look at US Car Cover's satin cover, which is soft. It's very flexible, and something like that is easier for you to actually install. But aside from that main point of it being so robust and thick and a little more challenging to place on the car on a daily basis, I don't find any other negativities of the car cover. If you are interested, I will go ahead and post a link below in the description for you to purchase, as well as a discount code. And if you have not already, Automotive Fanatic family, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so we're slowly working at that number. Until the very next time, this is Peter, your Automotive Fanatic, signing off.